Hello everybody and welcome to brand new video. In today's video I want to be sharing with you how to fix the issue of Google Play Store stacking on downloading. So to fix this issue, just follow my steps and don't miss any step, right? Don't jump the video. And before we start the video, just want to ask you, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video, and watch the video till the end, and let's get started. Alright guys, as I said before, in this video I want to be sharing with you this problem. I will get into my Google Play Store, then I will type here on my apps. Alright, I will type here some apps and I will try to download this Microsoft Teams, and this is loading and nothing happened. Oh, what's going on? I don't know, man. So to do this, we can fix this problem right away. So to fix this problem, the problem is really easy to fix, so just follow my step. First of all, we are going to in our Google Play Store and let's now open it up. All right, so let's now click on the icon right away there on the profile picture. Right, as you see, the Google Play Store has changed it. So now we're going to log in here, manage apps and in the device. All right, then let's click here, updates availables. So I'm downloading here some apps like Zoom Cloud Meeting, and I'm downloading as well Microsoft Teams, so we can as well update this all applications right here. So this is not my case. All right, as you can see now, I check it out and I have 22 applications to update. I will update it later. Okay, it's easy. That's first of all, you have to check it out if your apps are all updated, if you don't have any application without up to date. All right, so let's return, then let's go and look if our Google Play Store is protected by Play Protect. All right, let's click to protect. There's another guy saying that you have to disable this option, but I highly recommend you to enable this option. Right, I have already enabled this option for my device. Okay, if you don't have this option updated in your device, just click on this setting icon on the right corner, click on it, then you're gonna enable in these two options right away here. All right, so then let's go back, let's close the Google Play Store. Let's close. I will take the opportunity and close all my apps, all my opened apps. I will close all of them. Perfect. Now let's go in our setting icon, click on it, the setting icon, then open it up. Now let's go on the apps, and this option, apps and notifications. I'm using Android 9. In your case, it may be different, so find out there apps and notification or something else, or you can type easily here and apps, and this option will show up. Right, I'm using Android 9 and this is kind of different with you Android. So let's click on it, then let's look for the Google Play Store. So in my case here, I have to click this option, see all my apps. All right, click on it, then you need to go on Google Play Service. Right, let's go on Google Play Service. Okay, let's look on Google Play Service, not Korea Service, but Google Play Service. All right, as you can see, Google Play Service is right here. Then now let's click on a storage. Perfect, let's click on a storage, click on it, then let's click on clear cache, this option, click on it, then you have to click on clear storage as well. Now let's click on clear all that, click on it to clear all that. Let's click to clear, and don't worry, this will not lose, you will not lose any of your information. Let's do it, then let's run. Let's look for the Google Play Store. Right, click on it, Google Play Store as well. Let's go Play Store, you wanna click on clear cache, then as well let's click on clear storage, click OK. Then let's return and let's open it up, the Google Play Store. Right, let's return and let's close the setting. Perfect. Now let's go and open it up, the Google Play Store. Let's open it up. Alright guys, my Google Play Store is already open it. I'm going to click as well here on the profile icon. I like the theme, the black theme. I'm gonna right away theme and the dark theme. Okay, now let's click on it, then let's click on my apps and games. Let's see if I have some application to update. Let's check in for updates. All right, So now I'm going here to type to look for Microsoft Teams. I'm going just to type here Teams. Then I will click to install the theme. This will start installing on my device. That's what I have to do. Just wait, and then you're gonna be installing your device, your app in your device easily. As you can see, it's working and it's installing my device. So I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, just subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload new video. Like the video, and see you on the next one.